In a bid to ensure its 3 limited edition models, the Commodore Magnum, Director and Motorsport, are taken seriously, Holden has tested them to the same extreme standards required for GM's global track-capable cars. Testing is undertaken at General Motors' Milford Racecourse. It's a grueling track used to certify cars as track-capable with GM's stamp of approval. Other vehicles in the GM world with the Level 3 track certification include the Manic supercharged V8 Corvette Z06 and the equally as hair-raising Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. To achieve Level 3 track certification, the vehicle must be able to do 24 hours of race pace laps at the Milford Road Course.